Hi everyone, welcome back to House's Kitchen. Today I like to share with you my recipe for honey soy chicken braised with roasted potatoes and peppers. This easy dish features juicy chicken, flavorful roasted potatoes, and crunchy peppers, all coated in a rich and delicious honey soy sauce. Start by cutting the red and green bell peppers into bite-sized pieces. Next, chop one medium sweet onion into bite-sized pieces. Chop 4 cloves of garlic into smaller pieces. Next, finely chop 2 pieces of fresh ginger. Next, cut 6 green onions into 2-inch sections and keep the green leafy part separate from the white stems. We will use them at a different stage of cooking. Wash and dry half a pound of baby potatoes, then cut them in half. For the chicken, use boneless, skinless chicken breast or chicken thighs. Whichever you prefer, you cut them into bite-sized pieces. Now marinate the chicken with 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon white pepper, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and a splash of water. Mix well until every piece of chicken is evenly coated. At this point, you can mix 2 tablespoons of avocado oil or add the oil when you begin frying. Finally, make a cornstarch slurry. Mix 1 teaspoon cornstarch with 1/4 cup of cold water until fully dissolved. Okay, friends, I hope you have stayed with me because the real fun starts now. We are ready to cook. Heat 2 tablespoons of avocado oil in a large skillet. Once the oil is shimmering, add the potatoes. Roast the potatoes until golden brown on all sides. Once the potatoes are done, transfer them to a bowl and set them aside. Using the same skillet, add the chicken and cook until all pieces are no longer pink and cooked through. If the skillet is dry, add a little more oil. Once the chicken is cooked, transfer it to a plate and set aside. Using the same skillet, saute the onion, bell peppers, and ginger until tender and crisp. Again, if the skillet is a little bit dry and seems to be dry, add a little bit of oil. After a few minutes, add the chopped garlic and saute for about 1 minute until fragrant. I like to serve this dish with basmati rice. Rinse 3 small cups of rice, then add enough water to cover the surface of the rice by about 1 inch. Add 1 tablespoon of salt and 2 tablespoons of oil. Then bring to a rolling boil. While the rice cooks, combine the chicken, potatoes, and sauteed vegetables in the skillet. Add 2 tablespoons dark soy sauce and a splash of water. Now add 2 tablespoons of honey to balance the flavor of the sauce. Add the green parts of the green onions and mix well. Now add the cornstarch slurry. Stir it well first, since the cornstarch settles at the bottom. Then pour it into the skillet while stirring. Wow, look what we have made. Another delicious dish. The aroma is so appetizing. It will make your mouth water. Check the rice. It reaches a boil. Let most of the water evaporate. Then lower the heat, cover, and cook for about 20 minutes. Friends, thank you for watching. I hope you try this recipe and share it with your family and friends. Please let me know in a comment what you think about this recipe. Thank you again, and I'll see you next week with another delicious dish. Till then, stay safe and eat well.